we all know pregnancy stays for human 9 months 7 days to 80 days. That's the average rule. If you talk to your mother, your grandmother, everybody will say that pregnancy is a 9 months affair. But in today's world, even in past, not all babies reaches this 9 months 7 days. So our discussion today is for them who has suffered preterm delivery. This knowledge and guidance, I'm sure, is going to help a lot of people who are carrying normal pregnancy and who definitely want to avoid a premature labor. So what is maturity? In medical definition, pregnancy is a 40 weeks affair. Any baby who has crossed 37th week is a mature baby. Fetal maturity does not increase or progress after 37 weeks. So anybody touching this landmark would be having a term delivery. So it's always our target to cross that 37 weeks deadline. Now, can we do it? Always no. Because as you know, from ages, some babies are born at 8 months, some is born even at 7 months. So why do this happen? There is not a single reason for it. But then again, you have to see in today's context. First thing I will say, that age of marriage and age of first pregnancy has changed. It is nobody's fault. Education has set in, then comes career. Once the career starts, stability becomes a problem. So, taking a pregnancy even after marriage is not a number one priority for many couple, either by choice or by force. So what happens, we are getting a lot of ladies who are marrying in late 30s or sometimes even in early 40s, and obviously all of them want to have a child. So my first advice is, if you are married, settled, and if you could, then try to have the first child below age of 35. The ideal age should be 20 to 30. 21 to 30 is very comfortable for any woman because their body systems, they are all young, much more flexible, perfusion to the uterus is better. Now, if that doesn't happen, that doesn't mean you are going to have a preterm delivery. We need to work it out. Second, grossly underweight mother. There is a tendency of losing weight all over. Some people like us could not manage it. Some of you are fortunate to do it. But then again, if you do over dieting and if you become too low in BMI, then you have a chance of producing smaller babies. If you have a smaller baby, sometimes we get pressurized to deliver that baby because to ensure the safety of the pregnancy. So, if we list the causes, mother's age, multiple pregnancy, the second most common cause, because now you see people are marrying late, they're coming to us in a hurry to get pregnant quickly. We are using a lot of fertility inducing medicine, ovulation inducing medicine, IVF, in vitro fertilization. All this causes multiple eggs and there are higher number of twin pregnancy or triplet. So if you have 2 babies or 3 babies in the same room, uterus, then obviously there will be shortage of space when the baby grows out. So multiple pregnancies as a rule comes out premature. How premature depends on how much uterus can stretch. So mother's age, multiple pregnancy, any sort of uterine defect. Shape of the uterus sometimes can be double uterus, there can be a partition wall and things like that. Then comes infection. Vagina is an open passage, so sometimes unnoticed infection, mother doesn't also know, asymptomatic infections climb up, they go through the cervix and they infect the membrane of the baby and the membrane leaks. Apart from that, multiple medical disorder, high blood pressure, uncontrolled blood sugar, these sort of things do make preterm deliveries more. So now, how preterm is bad for us? Now, as days going by, we are fortunate every year. Our neonatal care team, our neonatal knowledge, our neonatal expertise, ventilatory supports, medication, surfactants, these sort of things are coming up, and slowly we are shifting the milestone down. Nowadays, even we are fighting for babies who are 25, 26, 27 weeks old. Previously, 10 years ago, anybody delivering a baby less than 28 weeks, we would have really been sad because we were not sure how many of them will survive. So nowadays, 28 to 32 weeks, we can give a very healthy fight. 32 and above, we have almost 95-99% survival rate. Still there is a gray area between 24-5 to 28 because babies' systems are not developed. To survive in the air, to survive in this world, you need to have strong lungs, heart, liver, kidney. Even if you give support to a very premature baby like 25 weeks, 26 weeks, some of them do develop a lot of long-term effects like blindness, permanent lung damage, cerebral hemorrhage. But then again, the silver lining is every year passing by, our milestone of survival for young preterm babies are coming down. So even if you end up with an accidental premature delivery, please do not get mentally shattered. Only thing you need to do is get into a well-equipped neonatal care unit hospital like Bhagirathi Neotia, and there are others in town also. Now, what can you do to avoid preterm delivery? Number one, first thing first, get planning pregnancy as soon as you are ready. So these are variable factors. Somebody may be ready in a year, somebody might need 5 years. But more you cross 35 plus age, the more trouble begins. 2, if you have multiple pregnancy, be careful, go for regular antenatal checkup, and we should be able to manage that and give you 2 safe deliveries. 3, if you have any medical problems were detected beforehand like hypertension, thyroid, blood sugar, get them under control before you plan pregnancy. So it's always a good idea to have a pre-pregnancy checkup if you are planning for pregnancy. While pregnant, get yourself checked up with the obstetrician regularly. Get booked in a unit because you don't know for whom this will come. Most of us, when we select delivery place, we look for places near our home. We go to places where my auntie and mother has delivered. But you have to understand, science is progressing and not everybody is providing us with the latest facility. And you don't know, I don't know that who will be that unfortunate baby who will deliver prematurely. And if we don't book into a really well facility covering hospital, we might lose the flight and the fight. So cheer up, don't get scared, move on forwards. Be it multiple pregnancy, be it preterm pregnancy, we are there to help you out and would like to see you smiling. Take care. Bye bye.